Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2015 Toyota Highlander. The engine air filter is simple to reach. You only have to disengage a few fasteners, which unlatch with little effort. Both the front and rear wiper blades remove easily. Other models will require the use of tools in order to change these blades. It is easy to get to the high beam light. You only have to reach behind the housing to get to this bulb. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. The spare tire is underneath the vehicle. You must lower it for access, but the tire can grow rusted to the undercarriage and be inaccessible. To reach the taillight, you must remove the rear bulb housing first. The housing is tightly wedged to the vehicle and can be difficult to pry out. The parking lights can be difficult to reach. You must pry up a panel, then make a cramped reach in to access either bulb. Overall, the 2015 Toyota Highlander is an easy vehicle to maintain and a good choice for any vehicle owner.